Hello everyone, this video is the continue of the last video of the Sinewave inverter. So I made this inverter to replace the original controller of the motor. So this is inverter, but this is based on class AB amplifier. So it's using Atmega chip to output sine wave and then amplified by class AB. Well, what I made in here is based on class D amplifier or half bridge. So this is already not working and I need to make this one. And then this platform can be used both of STM32 blue pill or ESP32, so I can replace it. And then actually this type and this type have very big difference, because this is, I can say, is more like linear sine wave, while this is like a bit modulate and then you need to filter it. But this is actually pure sine wave, but you need to filter the high frequency PWM. So the original controller is like you put some constant frequency and then you amplified it by audio amplifier. You can use this to generate a sine wave to power the AC synchronous motor in turntable. So in here, the frequency that outputted from the inverter, and then we can see the speed in here by focusing on this line. So I will turn off this light. So to see the strobe of this, you need to use the old neon bulb, because is based on the line frequency, which is in here is 50 hertz. So this side showing 33.3 RPM based on 50 hertz AC line. So we can see in here this line is not moving. It's like not moving. It looks like a constant on each place. So it means that the speed is locked on 33.3 RPM, which is a very good result. And then yeah, I made this board to have 2 speed, so you can change the speed based how the frequency you giving to the motor. So in this turntable, I found that for 33.3 it should be around on 50 hertz, and then for the 55 RPM it should be around 67.5 hertz. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.